People used to come here for a reason. They still do, technically. Blackpool has always been good at continuing, even when there isn't very much left to continue with. Many of the apartments sit empty, once thriving businesses left abandoned. A whole street of shops, some zombified, others completely dead. The only one that still turns a profit is the betting shop. There are cafes with ashtrays still on the tables. No one has needed them for a long time. Some of the buildings are new. They've been placed carefully. It depends where you look from. For the most part, it's quiet, but not completely. On Dixon Road, there's a man who shouts for Julie.
Julie! Give me another chance, Julie!
He does this every night. I don't know if Julie still lives here, or if she ever did. It's possible she's already left. Most people have. Nearby is where Charlene Downs disappeared. There are explanations. Several, in fact. None of them are particularly helpful. The town has chosen not to dwell on it, covering its scars with other things to look at. Most people fail to remember that Blackpool in fact has 3 piers. Yet North Pier is the one that doesn't come up. It's still there. It hasn't gone anywhere. It simply doesn't insist. It was built for a different kind of attention. You're expected to stay there for a while. Now it feels like the interval has gone on too long. Not cancelled, just delayed. Blackpool illuminations have been described as uplifting, which seems accurate. In the harsh coastal winters, they force a happy atmosphere. But there are certain sections I try not to look at directly. Towards the end, there lives a family of bears. When I was younger, I thought they could see me. They seemed like the sort of thing that would remember you. Have you ever seen the end of the illuminations? They don't taper off, they don't dim. They just stop. One moment there's light, and then suddenly, there isn't anything left to look at. That's just how it's designed. You're not meant to stay beyond that point. There's nothing there for you. The man on Central Drive is still shouting.
Julie! Take me back, Julie!
It carries further at night. Sound travels differently on the coast. People used to come here for a reason. They still do. I just can't remember what it was.